Graph a horizontal or vertical line. Let's recall that if you ever have an equation x equal to a number, you will end up with a vertical line. If you ever have an equation where y is equal to a number, you will end up with a horizontal line. Let's start here. X equals -8. The easiest way to graph this equation is to start by finding the value of -8 on the x-axis. Here's the x-axis. Let's go all the way to -8. Start by graphing that point by clicking, and then we can graph any other value where the x value is 8, any other ordered pair such as -8, 1. So I'll just move up 1 unit, click there, and here is our vertical line crossing the x-axis at -8. X equals 2. Again, let's start by finding this value on the x-axis, the value 2 on the x-axis, and now we can move either up or down in this case so that we have a line that intersects the x-axis. There we go. Here's this line crossing the x-axis at 2. X equals -10. Let's look for -10 on the x-axis. We click and again move either up or down. It really doesn't matter, and you can move as many points as you want. You will still end up with the same vertical line crossing the x-axis at -10. Now y. Let's take y equals -6. On the y-axis, locate the value -6, and now we will move either to the left or right off of the y-axis. I'll go ahead and move 1 unit to the right, click, and here's our line. And now you can submit. Now, the rest of these problems will continue in the same manner, just to show you. The level of difficulty does not increase too much other than the values get bigger, as well as your increments on your graph. So we'll do one more here, y equals 70. Let's look for 70 on the y-axis. We don't see the value, but because this is 60 and this is 80, 70 is right in between the two. And now, because we are on the y-axis, we need to draw a horizontal line crossing the y-axis at the value of 70. I'll go ahead and move a few points to the right, click, and here is our horizontal line. Okay, this should get you through the rest of this topic.